There it is. There's your sneak peek. In today's video, we're gonna create a fun Valentine that anybody can do. It's a simple project. You just need watercolors, paper, and scissors. That's it. Yeah, you definitely need all three of those. Oh, and some glue. This is something, it can be decor, it can be a gift, it can be a card. You can take some ideas from this and make simpler cards. This is going to be Valentine's video 1 of probably 3 or 4 because I have some ideas in my head for cards that 1 I'm going to make for my wife, 2 I'm going to make for my mom, probably make 1 for my daughter. Who knows? I'm going to make a handful of them. Maybe I'll make 1 for you, but I don't know who you are, so maybe not. I don't know. Everybody needs a Valentine though, right? I personally don't like Valentine's Day. I think it's an economic, I don't even know. We don't have money to spend on candy and chocolates and stuff. But I'm gonna get to this. Let's jump into this video and show you how to make this Valentine's project. That van looked like the van from Back to the Future, the first one. Anyways, let's go. With 2 identical sized pieces of watercolor paper, put the first one aside. Now take the second one and cut out from about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch from the side. You can use some shapes like I did. I used some half clamshell, or you can cut just straight lines, whatever you want. Don't throw these pieces of paper that you're cutting. Don't throw them out. We are going to use those, okay? From here, and use a sharper tool than I did. This was a lot more work than it needed to be. You're going to come now, you're going to grab some watercolors, you're going to color the border. I treated this as if I were a 4th grader. What would it look like? How would it come out? You can add more detail, you could add some gold, you could add some more colors into the border, it would look really cool. Once you have that slopped out, put it under some pressure and pads to flatten it out. Now take those scrap pieces of paper, do the same thing, slop some color all over it. It doesn't really matter. I went wet on wet just so things blend and look somewhat okay. Different sizes, different colors, have some fun with it. It doesn't matter, because what does matter is the next step. And we're going to take those scraps and we're going to cut some hearts out. Yes, you can fold the paper in half to get equal hearts. I don't like equal hearts. No heart is the same. So I like making them a little wonky. But as you can see, they end up cool. Now take the first piece of paper, trace the hearts very lightly. You're just doing this to know some placement, because what we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of a shadow. We want some depth in this piece. So I'm going to take a really light blue wash and a really light red wash. I'm going to wet on wet it and just sort of blend them together. Again, I didn't try to make it smooth. I went haphazardly, like a 4th grader. Now, with some scrap paper, you're going to roll it into little tiny, like, balls, but not balls. Like, I don't even know what to say. Just roll it up into tornadoes. And we're going to use those. We're going to glue them on the back of our hearts. They're going to act like risers. They're going to lift the hearts off the background. We're going to do the same thing once we glue the hearts on here. We're going to do the same thing with the border. We're going to have, I would say, 8 at least extra little risers, a little higher than the hearts for the border. We're going to put that on there. And voila, you have this fun little art piece that anybody can do. Now, go make it for yourself. Get out of here.